Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back with my latest Galaxy Watch, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro.
Let's do this!
So I ordered this from the Samsung website, and it was to replace my Galaxy Watch4 Classic. And of course, like many others, I didn't get rid of that one for a long time because I love my rotating bezel, but now it was just time. So let's get it opened up. So you can see on the back, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. So there's the band and the watch. Let's see what else we have in here. Just paperwork on that side. And there's our power cable. So I'll get this band put on and we'll show you everything. So there's my Galaxy Watch4 Classic, and I just wanted to show you the rotating bezel. And I really do love my rotating bezel, but I just figured it was time to pick up the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So I'm going to turn this on for the first time. And I just wanted to show you with this one, it's just swiping, no rotating bezel. So now I have it paired with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. And if we go into the Samsung Galaxy wearable app, you can see it right there. And that'll be that. So that's my very quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And I just wanted to show it to you guys, and you'll be seeing it more, especially in the Samsung Health app, which I use to track my bicycle rides and some of my other exercises. But keep in mind, I have 3 smartwatches and I rotate them. One day it's the Apple Watch SE, one day it's the Pixel Watch, and one day it'll be the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So remember, if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed this yet, please hit the subscribe button and remember to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos that I upload. As always, thanks for watching. Comments are welcome, and let's remember we all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.